This song I dedicate to you, Yaksita, out there in Solomon Islands, by Timo Quack and Wiz Quack. I hope you're gonna enjoy this.
That Valentine's, time we first look in you, girl, you break him heart on me. Sweet smiling face blown you, and curly hair blown you, and break him heart blown me. Shape blown body blown you, and barawa making me die on you. Be loving you too much. Ooh, but I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please me loving you. Me no sabe forget and forget a time how me long for you. No matter day or night, me always long for you. That's how me loving you. Me loving you too much. Ooh, but I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please me loving you. Time we come back from Sege me barawa, barawa soke too much. Long music telling me that all get up, lose interest long me finish. I think me no look fit in you. Oh, how? But I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please me loving you.
Malu, you're the only one in my heart forever. Timo Quack, yeah. Malu, me loving you too much. Me like stop one time you forever, ever, ever. So please no break him heart long me. Come back long me. Cause me loving you too much, baby.
Oh, I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please me loving you. But I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please me loving you. But I know me loving you. Me like stop one time you forever. But I know, please.